If you're breastfeeding or pumping and your nipples hurt, how do you know whether it's normal soreness or something more, like nipple vasospasm? Welcome back to Pump with Thilly, where we make breastfeeding and pumping easier to understand. Some nipple tenderness can be completely normal, especially during the early days of breastfeeding. Your nipples may feel sensitive after frequent nursing or pumping, but normal soreness usually improves as your baby's latch gets better and your body adjusts. The discomfort typically doesn't involve dramatic color changes in the nipple. Nipple vasospasm is different. It happens when the blood vessels in the nipple suddenly tighten, reducing blood flow. A common clue is a noticeable color change. The nipple may turn white, then blue or purple, and eventually return to its usual color. You may also feel burning, throbbing, stinging, or intense pain, often after breastfeeding or pumping. Cold temperatures can trigger vasospasm, so pain that becomes worse when your nipples are exposed to cold air may be another important clue. A shallow latch, nipple trauma, or excessive pressure from a breast pump flange can sometimes contribute to the problem. If you suspect vasospasm, keeping your nipples warm immediately after nursing or pumping may help. Avoid cold compresses directly on the nipples, and make sure your baby has a deep, comfortable latch. If you pump, check that your flange fits properly and that the suction level is comfortable rather than painfully strong. Persistent, severe, or worsening nipple pain should not simply be considered part of breastfeeding. Talk with a lactation professional or healthcare provider, especially if you notice repeated color changes, cracks, bleeding, signs of infection, or pain that continues between feeds. Remember, some nipple soreness can be part of the adjustment period, but severe burning pain combined with color changes deserves attention. Understanding the difference can help you get relief sooner and make breastfeeding or pumping much more comfortable. Thanks for watching Pump with Thilly. If this helped you understand nipple vasospasm versus normal soreness, subscribe for more practical breastfeeding and pumping guidance.